Hello everybody and welcome to our first virtual assembly. This year we have experienced so many changes which we will talk about for many years to come. I would like you to think about all the new skills you have learned when remote learning, the new games and traditions that you may have started with your family. During this time there are two main things that I have learned. There are good people everywhere, and where there are good people, something beautiful grows. And the other thing I have learnt is that I'm thankful for so many things. I know that most people love to smile and laugh. I know that most people love to make other people smile and laugh too. I also know that most love to think good thoughts about others. And I especially believe that in our hearts, most people are just very good. Many people will have tried to make you smile during the last couple of months. Can you remember anything special someone has done for you or your community or neighbourhood that made you feel good? I can. During the last few weeks, you may have seen sculptures made from seaweed and beach debris of emus, giraffes and a hairy mammoth popping up on our local beaches. These were created by local artist and sculptor Peter Rush. He wanted to do something he loved, and by doing so brought joy to himself and to many others in the community, including myself. What do you do that fills you with joy? I have noticed that when I am happy, I'm also very thankful. When I wake up in the morning, I'm always thankful that I can start the day by taking my cute little puppy Sumo for a walk. Today, I would like to share with you a story that I love. It's by Todd Parr. In the story, it describes many of the things that we can be thankful for.
The Thankful Book by Todd Parr. Every day I try to think about the things that I am thankful for. I'm thankful for my hair because it makes me unique. And I'm thankful for my ears because they let me hear words like I love you. I'm thankful for my garden because I like to watch things grow. And I am thankful for my shadow because it makes me look taller. I'm thankful for bubble baths because they keep me squeaky clean. And I'm thankful for underwear because I like to wear it on my head. I'm thankful for my friends because they make me smile. And I'm thankful for my pets because they keep me warm. I'm thankful for vacations because I get to see new people and places. And I'm thankful for walks because they're special times for just you and me. I'm thankful for my hands because they help me give special gifts. And I'm thankful for my feet because they help me run and play. I am thankful for music because it makes me wanna dance. And I'm thankful for colors because they make me want to paint. I'm thankful for school because I love to learn new things. And I'm thankful for the library because it's filled with endless adventures. I am thankful for healthy food because it keeps me strong. I'm thankful for fall because I like to jump in the leaves. And I'm thankful for winter because I like to build snowmen. I'm thankful for hugs because they make me feel good. And I'm thankful for kisses because they make me feel loved. I'm thankful for the holidays because they bring my family together. But most of all, I am thankful for you.
I hope you enjoyed the story, and I'm thankful that I've been able to talk to you today in our first virtual assembly. Have a great weekend and choose to act, think, and behave in a way which brings joy to you and to others. And I encourage you to always be thankful.